Now to get started with this animation project, the first thing you want to do is open up a illustration project that you've worked on previously. It's helpful if you have a series of different types of illustrations so that when it comes to animating, you have stuff to work with. In my case, I've opened up a project called Smileys and Birdies. I worked on these illustrations on Adobe Fresco. If you are curious about how I did this, you can check out my other class. It's called Digital Illustration with Adobe Fresco. And I just selected a couple of my favorite illustrations and also illustrations that I thought would be most relevant for this animation class. So I've got some smiley faces, got a birdie. I didn't have this bird that is flapping its wings, but I redrew this part of where the wings were because I thought it'd be very helpful. And I have tulips, flowers. I added the strokes here just in case I want to make use of that as well. And so these are the assets that I'm going to work with, and you're more than welcome to use whatever illustrations that you want. Quick tip is to make sure you have organized everything properly. So just notice that I've labeled things like pink smiley face, yellow smiley face, and so forth so that I know exactly what everything is. And when I start animating, I will know which folder, in my case, I want to bring to a new project or a new file so that I can animate quickly. And because in my case I have folders, I have also gone ahead and named the features inside, so like facial features and the pink face, just in case if I want to know exactly what I'm playing around with when I start animating as well. And I think that's basically it. Obviously you're more than welcome to draw as you animate as well, but I find it's just really helpful to have a set of illustrations that are ready so that you have a lot of different things to work with, and you have something to work on when you animate. And if you need to add a little thing here or there, you can do that throughout the project as well. Alright, so if you have that ready, I'll see you in the next video